Magdi. Like I told you, Wamuratha, happy birthday, dear Wamuratha. Isn't it good? Isn't it more than moya? Happy birthday. We must more Wamuratha. I know Kumainira, happy birthday. Wamuratha Vito. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Wamuratha. From all friends and you. Happy birthday. DJ Martin. Happy birthday. How old are you now? 54. Haya, Wamuratha. 18. Oh, 19. Good. Mheshimiwa Karungo, oka. Mheshimiwa Karungo, si atigara thiko na akiakorwo na birthday. Ne amweri thata wanu. Tumiuge kana tutige. Tumiuge kana tutige. Ndaciarirwo mwico wa mweri rĩrĩa birthday arĩ thĩtũ. Tawai tutigane nayo, tumiuge kana tutige. Tueterere kinye. Ada tu mugira itu ne kamana gaitu. Lewe moko igoro. Oi Karungo itu ada mo. Happy birthday. Karungo tu apa ini? Happy birthday. Aku kan dari karya tu apa ini? Happy birthday to. Kami setuketi wabi makofi. Thank you, Mono. Ngaruiya. Karungo. Karungo kaya gote. Asante. Thanks a lot. Washimwa magaika rathi. Hena shukuru ya magegania muno. Na twina branch huko. Metagwo Juja Technical Institute. Na mwashimwa Koiburi ni atwarite arutwo aingĩ muno agũkũ Juja. Shukuru wa Juja Technical Institute. Na tondu megũkũ nĩ kwendaga umwe wao atugeithie briefly. Nigetha ona mwaka ũyũ twĩre mweshimwa. Nendo igana mangĩenda gũthiĩ college. Yeah. Mori aingĩ. Ugai Juja Technical Institute. Ira mataro au kiugo kia mweshimwa. Auge oya magana meri twarai kuria. Dakika mwe mutu gaithie mutu rore mwekaga na ngaingia kumurathima.
Praise God. All protocol observed. We as Juja Technical Institute. Mr. Koibori, how are you? Tumefurahi sana. Umuthi ni muthenya wa magegania na nikio tukire. Tondu umuthi turauga ni Ngai mutheri. Last year ni turare na Juja's Hair and Beauty College. Na riwe gatweka technical school. Na iria turanyitanira na Koibori Foundation. The last slot iria irarekirie last year mema wira na ingine marajoin muno na njira nene diploma courses. Aria twaheire course ya 3 months ne marajoin Juja Technical so far this January atatu ne majoinete diploma course na toka mgocio ne Ngai. On behalf of Juja Technical School, we are here to represent Juja Technical kuga ne twehariirie muno with Koibori Foundation phase 2 na nirapereria na nitwetereire muno nigetha tumuhe technical skills iria nicio hair dressing and beauty, twina fashion and design, twina plumbing, twina computer packages, twina hospitality na neorugi, twina bakery, twina mat making. Na icio nicio turanyitanira na Juja Technical with Koibori Foundation na nirathie na mbere na kwiyandikithia. On behalf ya Juja nituthomithagia technical courses iria nicio diploma level na certificate level iria tuthomithagia hair dressing and beauty, twina diploma in hair dressing and beauty, twina fashion and design, twina interior, twina hospitality, twina ICT, twina electrical na twina plumbing. Nitweharĩrĩirie muno kumureceive February intake ongoing nerathie na mbere ukiharia Gorgeous Technical Institute haria mwena wa Thika on your way to Tumainira Primary just opposite Karungo Tipa Yard. Nito hariririe muno na nito ndo February no nituranjiriria guka tuthomagira riria turathomithia mashinani. That is foundation ya Mr. Koibori muheshimiwa wito na hedere turanyitana na Gorgeous tuthomagira kirathi kiria kiharia. Kwoguo mutikaigwe mwena gathina ni muguthi mweretheirwo kwoguo wathie wabici ithuĩ Gorgeous twihariirie na njira nene muno na nigetha tuke tumahe technical skills iria iramateithĩrĩria. Niturona mtandao-inĩ makiuga ni marendia ni mawĩra ni maingĩ na mundu ni arahota kwĩyandĩka. Kwoguo ithuĩ ta Gorgeous ni twihariirie muno muheshimiwa turorianĩrĩ na muthenya wa ũmũthĩ igũrũ rĩngĩroria. God bless you.
Tumahorero wega Gorgeous Technical Institute. Na gĩtĩo kĩnene ndikwenda gũkĩria hau nĩ tondũ ũrĩa mahinda mahana. Ane joy nĩ ndahũthĩra ndagĩka extra makĩria ma iria ngũhetwo no mũnjĩtĩkĩrie na gĩtĩo gĩkĩ. Karibu sana mheshimiwa Wamuratha. Thank you muno. Thank you. Rĩu Ngaruiya hota gũtuĩka atĩ nĩwe wakwamũkĩra gũkũ. No nĩ harĩa ngũmũnete kanya akĩina akwamũkĩrĩra hau rĩu reke na ningĩ kwamũkĩre biũ. Twamũkĩrĩtwo nĩ mũkũri no gũkũigua difference ya mũkũri na mũndũ. Cio nĩguo tiganu wakwa na Ngaruiya. Na mheshimiwa rũciũ twĩkũrĩa Mwea kwa mheshimiwa Mĩrĩ wa maingĩ kũrĩa nĩkuo tũgakorwo na igongona o ta rĩrĩ rũciũ. Ũguo rũciũ twauma gũkũ tũrathiĩ kũrĩa Mwea. Ngai witũ mũrathima mũno. Nĩtagwo Karungo wa Mũraya ngwenda gwĩta Mũraya. Karungo wa Mũraya na ngwenda gwĩta Mũraya na getha nake atũtware rĩu nĩ baba. Asante sana, karibu sana msabibu. Mimi ni matawi. Asante.
Tumpigie makofi mazuri. Karungo wake abotire Mũraya itherũ iguo inye no ĩrũgamĩte haha nĩ mũĩ ũguo yaha na kanderia ĩkũinaga haha nĩ kanderia gũthekagia andũ haha ĩno nayo yũĩ kwaria ta andũ bũrũri mũgima nĩ mũgũra gwĩtĩkia ũguo njarie ta ũ Taruto ya Juja hamjambo tena. Mimi nimekuja hapa kwa sababu nyinyi muliniita na mnataka maendeleo. Nimekuja hapa na huyu jamaa anaitwa Regeje. Na baada ya hapa tutatembea mambo ya masomo, mambo ya kilimo, mambo ya maji yote itatatuliwa ili watu wa kiburi na madharau watoke wakwenda kabisa. Haya. Thank you. I am here to just take you through na ni correct tu kidogo mambo ambayo yametangazwa hapa na Gorgeous. Hizo registration ya short courses hazifanyiwi pale Thika, inafanywa katika ofisi za mheshimiwa za mashinani. Sawa. Every ward kuna ofisi Morera, Juja hapo tembea pale na utasaidiwa. Without taking much time, nitawasomea tu historia kwa sababu leo ni siku ya masomo, leo ni siku ya kanisa, leo ni siku ya maana sana. Niko katika mnataka kusikia historia ya mahali haya maombi yalianza. Nimekwenda kuigua. Naomba tulitayarisha historia hii ndio wale ambao ni wageni pia waweze kujua safari ambayo imetembea. Kuna wageni ambao wako hapa nikianza na mheshimiwa wetu Senator, Mheshimiwa Senator Karungo, Mheshimiwa Honorable Wamuratha, our women rep, Honorable Mary Mainge kutoka Kirinyaga, Mwea, Honorable Jane Kihara, rafiki yangu mheshimiwa wa huko Naivasha, mheshimiwa wetu mjumbe wa hapa Mheshimiwa Koimbori, na mheshimiwa MCS Mheshimiwa Ngala na mheshimiwa Grace na wengine wote, na wakaribisha tusikize historia hii. Na kwa sababu ni historia ya kanisa tutaisoma pia kwa Kiingereza. So sote tusikize. Sawa. Nimutegete mato. Moko iweke moni. Sema nikubalie sasa nisome. This is the history of our prayer movement. Juja constituency interdenominational prayer background. Juja constituency interdenomination prayer movement is a product of Her Excellency Dorcas Rigathi Gachagua, who proposed that religious leaders be brought together to enhance leadership within Juja constituency. In the year 2021, Honorable Koimbori took up the initiative and brought together more than 100 religious leaders across all denominations in the 5 wards within Juja constituency, namely Orera Ward, Juja Ward, Theta Ward, Kalimoni Ward, and Witege Ward. The clergy have walked a journey of more than 2 years, meeting every second Saturday of the month from 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. Having more than 400 churches within Juja constituency, the initiative has made it easy for the Member of Parliament, Honorable Koimbori, to meet with religious leaders and deliberate on matters and issues affecting the society, considering that the religious leaders have followers who look up to them. The prayers have been consistent every month, each meeting proving to be an opportunity to enhance leadership in Juja constituency. The team of clergy was privileged to accompany the Juja MP, Honorable George Koimbori, to visit His Excellency Dr. William Ruto at Karen back then when he was the Deputy President in 2021.